Welcome. The controller for my Bonsai watering system died, and I get to buy a new one. We'll show you how we set it up. What we have here is a Hydrologic 2 made by Melnor XT. It has 2 zones. It's run by battery. It's your water source. I'm going to open it up. You can actually do 4 zones with this one. Quick trip back in the house to get the glasses. Very easy. Turn it over. This one controls where it's at. Move that around. And I move it where it says set time. And I know that it is Saturday. And it is. Ooh. What time is it? 3.
2:39.
2:39 on a Saturday. Cold and dreary day. Alright, enter. That's correct. So then I cycle with the button. It says every 3 days. It's winter time right now. I want it to go to every other day. Hit the OK. Move to the next. Set the starting time for cycle A. Run it up. And I'm going to have it start at 7 a.m. by the time everybody's up. Okay. Zone 1, 7 a.m. All right. How long I'm going to have it go for? About 8 minutes. Will be good. Okay. Cycle to the next one. 245, zone 240, zone 1. On. Water every 2 days, zone 1. Start clock 7 a.m. 8 minutes. Set on auto, ready to go. We've been using watering systems like these very successfully. In a little bit, we're going to show you how to install it. Links for all the items are listed below in the description. Turn the water all the way off. I usually keep a piece of wire on here to tie this down to keep contractors and other people from inadvertently turning it off. Comes down to here to the brass splitter. Both of these have an on and off switch. I'm going to disconnect the system and then take the old unit off. Now, by the new system, that it's got a up to 4 zones, 2 outputs. What's really nice about this one, with the multiple zones, you get that hand tight, no plumber's tape is needed. It tells you which one is zone 1. Here, this is zone 1, this is zone 2. Okay, no longer having the Kung Fu grip I used to have. My lovely assistant has gotten me some channel locks. Like I say, these are mostly hand grip type fittings. Since they're nylon, they don't tend to leak very much. All right, apply the water. No immediate leaks. This is what I'm really excited about. This is the Hydrologic Advanced Water Timer, and this plugs into the unit and detects how much water is in one of your plants up to about 10 or 12 feet away, and then it will actually turn the water off if there's too much rain. So that's what we've been missing for our system, because we've had to go out and manually turn it off. So this one, you just put it in the soil of one of your plants, and it will detect, and you set it on how wet you want it to be, how dry you want it to be. And it's a pretty simple little device. Just plug it into the water, set the meter where you want it, plug this back in, to your hydrolocks. Okay, I'm going to bend this around so I can get to the back. Pull this little plug out. And it's got 3 pins. And you want to be careful not to bend the pins when you plug it in. Okay, so don't force it. Turn all that back around. Tighten this back up. Get the water back to the system. And remember where you put this cap. Now I'm going to take this wire as far down here as I can go. Got a good plant. So I'm going to insert it all the way down there. It's on 3 dots right now. That's the middle. And then it'll check the moisture and turn off the system if need be. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Look up here for another video. I think you're going to like it.